In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hair with Magic Edit in Canva. Start by opening Canva, either in your browser or the app. Once you're in, choose a design to work in. You can pick any template that fits your project, or even start from a blank canvas if that's easier. The important thing is to have a space ready where you can place the photo you want to edit. Next, insert the image you'll be enhancing and select it on the canvas. Look for the Edit option, which opens Canva's photo tools. From there, choose Magic Edit. This is Canva's AI-powered feature that lets you modify part of an image by painting over the area you want to change and giving it a prompt. Before painting, adjust the brush size so it matches the area you're working on. A larger brush is great for filling big spaces quickly, while a smaller brush helps you stay precise near edges like the forehead, ears, or hats. Zoom in for accuracy if needed, and try to keep your strokes clean and within the region where you want the new hair to appear. Now, brush over the bald area or the part where you want to put hair. Cover the entire zone you want the AI to replace, but avoid brushing over the face or background unless you want those parts affected. Clean edges help the new hair blend naturally with the original image. When the brushed area is set, type Add Hair in the prompt box. That simple phrase is enough to get results. If you want to guide the style, you can include descriptive words like short, curly, straight, black, or brown, but keep it relevant to the look you're aiming for and the lighting in the photo. Click Generate and let Canva create options. You'll see 4 variations appear. Take a moment to compare them. Look for details like how the hairline blends into the skin, whether the direction of the hair matches the head's angle, and if the color and texture fit the lighting of the original photo. If none of the options feel right, you can generate again or tweak your prompt for a closer match. Once you've chosen the version you like, click Done to apply it to your image. From here, you can continue editing your design as usual, resize the photo, add text, or adjust colors to keep everything cohesive. That's it. You've successfully edited hair using Magic Edit in Canva. Practice on a few photos to get a feel for brush control and prompts, and you'll get consistently natural results. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating.